Welcome back to my channel Technician. So this is just a small gratitude video of showing my just showing how much I've grown because of you guys. I've just got around 100 subscribers, which is actually a small milestone right now, but it's helped me boost my confidence and all. And in some videos I've actually got a decent amount of views, like in the MI band changing time format and all. I got around 33,000 views, which is amazing right now. So this is a small announcement for a giveaway which I'll be doing when I reach 1,000 subscribers. So I'll be doing an MI Band 3 giveaway, or if it's sometime later, or if a new MI Band releases, I'll be doing a giveaway for that. So if like next year or something I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll do an MI Band 4 giveaway. All you gotta do is subscribe to my channel and comment in the and drop a comment in the comment section about your email ID, and basically how to contact you, and please drop a like in this video. So that's it. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for helping me hit 100 subscribers. So that's it.